Are you a homemaker looking to achieve financial independence? Do you dream of running a successful business right from the comfort of your home? In this video, we bring you 8 super business ideas with low investment and profit margins ranging from 25% to 60%. Let's get started. First up, pickle business. Pickles are a staple in most households, making this an evergreen market. All you need are jars, salt, spices, and fresh ingredients like mangoes or lemons. Here's how the math works. A 500-gram jar of mango pickle sells for Rs 290 and smaller jars for Rs 100 to 120, which gives a profit margin of 25% to 30%. Start small and scale as you build your customer base. Let's look at the cost breakdown. For a 500 gram of mango pickle jar, you'll need 50 rupees of mangoes, 30 rupees of spices, 20 rupees of jar, and the total cost would be Rs 100. Now, if you make mango pickle and sell it for Rs 290 for 500 grams, the profit margin per jar would be 65%, which is 190 rupees. Let's take a real life example. Take Swati Agrawal from Delhi, who turned her grandmother's pickle recipe into a business. She now earns Rs 50,000 per month by selling online and at local grocery stores. Next, let's talk about candle making. With a small investment in wax, molds, and a melting pot, you can create beautiful candles for every occasion. These candles sell for Rs 100 to Rs 1000, depending on size and design. And what about the profit margin? A glowing 30% to 50%. The cost breakdown for a single candle. The wax would be Rs 20, mold and wicks would be Rs 15, essential oils and colors would be Rs 10. The total cost would be Rs 45. The selling price per candle would be around 120 rupees with a profit margin of 62.5% and the profit would be Rs 75. We can take the example of Priya Shah from Mumbai. She started a candle business during lockdown and now sells customized candles for weddings and corporate giftings while having a monthly income of Rs 30,000. Home decor and gifting trends make this a profitable venture. Next up, we have Pom Making Business. It is a good option for homemakers. With simple materials like grains, spices, and a papad press, you can create delicious papads that everyone loves. A 200-gram pack sells for Rs 80 to Rs 90, and jackfruit papads fetch Rs 90 to 100 with a profit margin of 30% to 40%. The cost breakdown for 200-gram pack of papad, the ingredients would be 30 rupees, packaging 10 rupees, total cost would be 40 rupees. You can sell a 200 gram of papad packet for Rs 90, having a profit margin of 55% with 50 rupees profit per packet. Think of Shri Mahila Griha Udyog Lijjat Papad, which started as a small venture by 7 homemakers in Mumbai. Today, it's a 1600 crore business employing thousands of women. This is a crunchy way to grow your income. Love chocolates? Turn your passion into a profitable business using basic ingredients like cocoa butter, sugar, and dry fruits. You can create handmade chocolates with profit margin as high as 60%. You can cater to festivals, birthdays, and special occasions. The cost breakdown for a 250 gram of chocolate box would be cocoa butter and powder for Rs 150, dry fruits Rs 50, packaging Rs 30. The total cost would be around 230 rupees. The selling price of a 250-gram chocolate box would be 500 rupees with a profit margin of 54%. That means you can get a profit of 270 rupees. Think of Riya Kapoor from Pune, who turned her love for chocolates into a thriving business, earning 70,000 rupees per month by catering to festive orders and corporate events. Next, soap making. It is an ideal business for creative homemakers. Natural and organic soaps are in high demand with simple materials like caustic soda, oils, and molds. You can create customized soaps. The profit margin, a clean 40 to 50%. The cost breakdown for 100 gram of soap bar would be oils and ingredients for 30 rupees, molds 10 rupees, packaging 10 rupees, total cost 50 rupees. The selling price of per soap bar would be around 120 rupees, giving you a profit margin of 58%. That means the profit would be 70 rupees. See Arpita Sen from Kolkata, who started her handmade soap brand with just 3000 rupees. Today, she sells her soaps globally and earns 1.2 lakh monthly. If you love crafting, silk thread jewelry is a fantastic option. With kits available online for rupees 300 to rupees 1000, you can start creating beautiful bangles and earrings. The profit margin is 20% to 25%. And the designs can be tailored to trending fashion styles. The cost breakdown for a pair of earrings would be thread and materials for rupees 20, tools and accessories for rupees 10. Total cost would be 30 rupees. The selling price per pair of earring would be 70 rupees, giving you a profit margin of 57%. That means a profit of 40 rupees. Neha Bansal from Hyderabad started making silk thread bangles and earrings as a hobby. Her unique designs now fetch her 25,000 rupees per month. Next, knitting business. It is a timeless skill that can turn into a profitable business. With materials costing rupees 1500 to 2000, you can create custom hand-knitted products. Items like sweaters, scarves, and baby clothes are always in demand. The cost breakdown for suppose a scarf would be wool for rupees 150, tools for rupees 50. Total cost would be around 200 rupees. The selling price for a scarf would be around 600 rupees. The profit margin would be 67% and profit per scarf would be 400 rupees straight. Radha Krishnan from Kerala started knitting baby clothes from her local community. Her personalized designs now earn her 40,000 rupees a month. Finally, terracotta jewelry. This eco-friendly business requires minimal investment in clay and tools. Products can sell for rupees 200 to 2000, offering the potential to earn 3 times your investment. The cost breakdown for a necklace set, for example, would be clay and paints 50 rupees, tools and accessories 20 rupees, total cost would be 70 rupees. Selling cost would be 300 rupees for a set, giving you a profit margin of 76%. That means a profit of 230 rupees per set. For example, like Shikha Creation in Coimbatore earns rupees 25 lakh annually with terracotta jewelry. This was all about businesses. But you know what the best part is? All these businesses that I have just told you about, we have a dedicated course on all of them. For just rupees 399 a month, you can get access to all the information that is required to start that business. Not just that, with every subscription, you get access to 10 plus other business courses as well. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey now.